It's like what? 30 degrees? I think so. So guys, I will show you how I do my eyebrows. I know I showed you in the other clip, the previous clip, showing you how I shave the brows and do everything. I filmed that brow tutorial, but for some reasons I could not find the videos. Like, I could not find the video for the eyebrow.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that'll blow my mind, give me that thing that'll blow my mind.
So for my eyebrows, I normally use an eye pencil and an eyebrow gel, but I'll show you both sides with how you can do the eyebrow gel and also how you can achieve with the eye pencil. So yeah, let's get started. For my eye pencil, I'm just using the regular brow pencil. Any brown pencil can do, any eyebrow pencil can do. I think I've gotten away using the brown eyeliner. Those ratchet days. But yeah, any brown pencil can do for your eyebrows, except if you don't like brown pencil. So I use the Davis eyebrow pencil. For my brow gel, I use the Hegai Esther eyebrow pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony. For my eyebrow, as you can see, it's dry inside, and to bring it back to life, like, I use the makeup seal. I put like a couple of drops inside. They also have a substitute, so if you're not in Nigeria, you can get the Inglot Duraline. That one is very popular. So you will also need an angled brush. Then I also need a translucent powder. I'm just going to take this shade. I'm doing this so that I take away the oil on my eyebrows. This makes it more matte. So I'm pretty sure I had a spoolie yesterday when I filmed this video, but I can't find it. So I'm going to be using this brush. So I just use the brush part and brush this up. If you don't have it, you can also use like your toothbrush, the one that you use for your edges, please. My brows are not the same. They're not supposed to be identical. They're like sisters. I know you're tired of hearing that, but that's the truth. They're like sisters. So you don't need to get them perfect. But I just try to make sure that they're almost the same, not this one big, this one small. So following my brow, normally you're supposed to do your brows according to how your brow look like, but I've been in a situation where some people don't have this arc here. You can create the arc. There's also a method. You put your brush here. This is where your eyebrow starts. Put it to the other side. This is the arc, and this is the tail. Then I'm going to be doing my eyebrow gel on this eye. Then I'll show you the eye pencil here. Okay, so for the eyebrow gel, this is the gel. I'm just putting in my brush. Don't carry a lot of products, just start a little. I put some on my hand so that I can control it. Then I always start from the tip, so I just line the down part, push it in front, and I stop here. I don't go all the way to the brow. I go from the ends. I connect it, then I fill in. To use the remaining product on the brush and just fill in the ends first before you go to the, just flick your brush like this. And you can now take your spoolie and brush everything together. You see that front part that I applied the product? You just brush it, it makes it full already, so you don't need to have those boxy brows. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Just brush this. This is the brow gel part, and I'm going to do for my eyebrow pencil. I'm going to show you how I do it. So first you have to sharpen your pencil. I like my pencil to be pointed like this. Then I do the same thing, brush up my hairs, apply the powder just to take away the shine. Okay, first let's do the measurement with the pencil again so you see what I'm talking about. So when you put your pencil like this on your nose, this is where the beginning of your brows is supposed to start from. Then you turn it like this. This is like what? 30 degrees? I think so. 30 degrees, no, get your arc. Then 90 degrees for the tail part of your eyebrows. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Start from the tail, then I fill in the front part. I'm going to leave the front part same way I did here. Then I fill the top. You do the ends first, then you drag it forward. Then I'm just going to fill this in. Using the eyebrow pencil, I try not to push it a lot because it wipes up fast compared to like the gel. So I just do it lightly. I'm going to be using the Erase Concealer. Starting with the arc, I'm just going to place it and take it down. Then I can drag the concealer down to form like a base, so it doesn't have that sharp line. Clean the front part of my brows. I'm going to do the same line. Just follow your brow hair. Follow the direction of your brow hair. I'll take a small blending brush and blend the concealer. Then for the top part of your brows, I like using my foundation. For the foundation, I'm using this. You can also use like a concealer that is your shade, like your perfect shade. I'm going to start from the tips again. Just apply here. You can connect it and it becomes pointed. Then you do this. Then you take your blending brush. Then you use the brush and just blend the front part, just so that it will look more natural. This is my brow. This is without the brow, the concealers. This is how it looks like. I've done the brow, so now I'm going to take my Revlon styling gel. It looks like this. It's just a clear gel. It's like this now because I put the products back. But you can also use your Eco styling gel, any type of hair gel, and that will be better. I'm just brushing my hair up just to make it look fuller, and the hairs will stay in place. Also make your brows sweat proof. Make a translucent powder. I'm going to dab it on the brows. It also makes your brows not look too black or too brown. Like it lightens the shade a bit. So this is how my eyebrow looks like. If you try this method, please let me know. If you have problem with doing this method, just let me know. Send me a DM. Let me know so I know if I can help you.